Muhammad is now pursuing his studies at NIT Calicut. Master Javed Akhtar has scored 100 marks in chemistry and has got the prestigious .1 merit certificate in chemistry. Takes the trophy from the collector now, Master Javed. In English, there were 15 children who has got 95 marks. Let me now call their names. Akila AP. Akila AP has scored 95 marks in English. Artana MD. On her behalf, her mother has come. Adul Ved Krishnan. Again, Taran has come to receive the honor. Devika Nair. Master Kaushik Shiva. Mega SS. Mega SS has got A1 in all the subjects. She was the topper in English. Muhammad Mausoor. Rajinjit AK. He too has got A1 in all subjects. Sultana Afroza. Rajinjit. Master Rajinjit has got A1 in all subjects with 95 marks in English. Currently pursuing his studies at Chennai. Sultana Afroza. In English, she has scored 95 marks. VK Hazel Ruby. I believe that the parent has come. She is pursuing her studies at MES College. Vaishnavi scored 95 marks in English, the subject topper. In maths, Srilal K. Manilal has scored 98 marks. He is the subject topper in mathematics. Master Srilal. On his behalf, his mother is taking the trophy. She is also our teacher, Mrs. K. Rekha, TGT English. Master Abhijit KV has scored 88 marks in economics and is the subject topper. Master Abhijit of the commerce stream. Muhammad Roshan of commerce stream is the subject topper in informatics practices and business studies. Has scored 95 in English too. Subject topper in Master Sharat Ram has scored A1 in all subjects. Master Sharat Ram. Next we have the Jeril Endowment Prize. Jeril was our beloved student who has passed away in the year 2006. A very good boy, smart and obedient, but the cruel fate has snatched him away and his parents has instituted the Jeril Endowment Award to the toppers in class 7. This time, Divya Udesh has scored the first prize. She gets a memento as well as a cash prize of 1000 rupees. She has scored 591 marks out of 600. At second position, we have Gopika K. Nair with 586 marks out of 600. She gets a cash prize of rupees 800 and a memento. At third position, we have Mayush Tom with 582 marks out of 600. He gets a cash prize of rupees 700. Let us hope that Jeril will be happy today at his heavenly abode. And it is said that the right leader leads from behind. In terms of achievements also, our teachers rightly guide the students. Like the shepherd who guides the children from behind, we have our teachers leading the students in the case of achievements also. Mrs. KG Geeta, PGT Chemistry, has got the highest PI in chemistry in the region. Let me now request Mrs. KG Geeta to take the trophy from our honorable guest. Mr. P.V. Thomas, PGT Economics of the Vidyalaya, has been selected for the International Leaders in Education program by the Bureau of Education and Cultural Affairs, the Department of State Government of United States of America. He will join a prestigious group of 64 international teachers from 13 countries for a 5-month-long educational leadership program in the US from January 2014 to May 2014. Put your hands together. He is the only KV teacher from the entire country to get the Fulbright scholarship and go to United States. He will be proceeding on January 4th, 2014 to Kent State University, Ohio. Mr. K. Sadanandan, GGT Sanskrit, was selected for the 1-year diploma course in guidance and counseling conducted by NCERT. He has attended the 2-month conduct program from August to September at Regional Institute of Education, Mysore. Kumari Sultana Feroza has attended the Golden Jubilee State Rally of KVS, Bharat Scouts and Guides held at Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gomati Nagar, Lucknow. She has attended the Jamboree. She is also a Rajya Puraskar guide. Sir, I request you to give the certificate to Kumari Sultana Feroza, a successful Rajya Puraskar candidate. Thank you very much, sir.
Now, let me request our guest of honor, Shri Ramana Prabhu, to give away the prizes to the meritorious students of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Malappuram. Sir, if it's difficult for you to stand, you may even sit over there and give the prize. In the 2013-14 cultural activities at the primary level, we have the runners-up Diamond House with 87 points. House captain is Abhiram K. The girl captain Tanya. Vice Captain Abhijit Mohan,
Azhar, and I request the housemaster Deepthi and Ambuja Madam to come and collect the trophy from our guest of honor. The runners-up in the CCA activities, Diamond House. The overall championship in primary went to Ruby House with 117 points. The captain Jishnu Santosh, Aishwarya K, Gokul, Nandan Balakrishnan, and the housemaster Subina and the assistant housemaster K. Usha are requested to come and collect the trophy from our guest of honor. Congratulations. In the secondary section, the runners-up were Akash House with 315 points. The leaders are Anirudh and Kavya Raj, the housemaster Mr. B. Usman, Mrs. E.K. Jayashri, Mrs. Rama Devi, Mrs. Geeta KG and Mrs. Anisa N. Ali are requested to take the trophy from the chief guest. The runners, as the winners of the CCA prize, we have Brahmos House with 435 points, Master Nitin Suresh, Abhijat, Anagha, Meenakshi. Students from the house master was Mrs. Sauda N, Mrs. K. Rekha, Mrs. K. Sushma, Mrs. Marlin and Mr. Deepu. Miss Sauda N, Mrs. K. Rekha, Mrs. K. Sushma, we have participated in the Youth Parliament competition held at KV Kanjikode. 6 of our candidates have received the trophy from the regional office. Ms. Sahla Farsana of class 11A for a remarkable performance in the Youth Parliament which was held at KV Kanjikode. Ms. Manisha of class 10. Again for her excellent performance in the Youth Parliament competition. Mariam Seba of class 9. Roshan Kabir of class 10. Nanda SS of class 9 and Ashwari Ramesh of class 9. The performance of our children were greatly appreciated over there. In the regional social science exhibition, Kumari Ashwari Sona has stood first in English debate. In the cluster level social science exhibition, in group dance, we were the cluster level winners and we have won the second position at the regional level too. Kumari Rasli KP, Gayatri Kishore and all members of the group dance team. Madhav, Meenakshi, Abhirami, Gayatri. Together you may collect the trophy. This is the first time that our school has received such a position at the regional level social science exhibition. We have been competing for many years. The dance was prepared by Mrs. K. Sushma, PGT Hindi of our Vidyalaya. The best class in the social science exhibition, the honor went to class 8th A. The class teacher was Mrs. K. Rekha. The class monitors are Adil Roshan and Divya Udesh. I request them to take the trophy from the guest of honor, Shri Ravana Prabhu. We have an excellent library which encourages the children to read. And every year we have constituted a Best Reader Award. This year the award goes to Hridya Pidambaran of class 7A. Hridya Pidambaran gets the award for the best reader in the school. Thank you, sir.
Now I request our respected chief guest, Mr. K. Biju IAS, District Collector Malappuram, to say a few words about this institution and to address the gathering.
अब मैं हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्रीमान के बिजू आईएएस महोदय से निवेदन करता हूं कि वह यहां पर उपस्थित सभा को अभिसंबोधन करें।
Respected Principal, Guest of Honor, Shri Ravana Prabhu, Kadalundi Nagaram, Shri Paulos, Secretary, PTA, distinguished teachers on the dais and in the audience, ladies and gentlemen, parents and my dear students. Kendra Vidyalaya Malappuram has come a long way since 1986 with around 300 students and around 5 to 6 teachers to today, where you can see there is a quantum jump in the number of students to around 1115 or so and around 56 teachers. If you see the development of the KVs all over India, the Kendra Vidyalayas were established with the prime motive of bringing an Indianness to the whole gamut of issues or to the whole institution, so that the parents who are working in government services, whether it be in central government, in the paramilitary forces or in any other central government or state government institutions, their kids should have an opportunity to study in such an institution. This was the primary motive of the KVs. But if you look at the progress of all the KVs over the years, we have seen that the KVs have evolved and they have become institutes of excellence. And from the prizes distributed and from the Reverend Principal's annual report, it is very clearly seen that this KV Malappuram has excelled in all spheres of activities, whether it be curricular activities or extracurricular activities. And I am particularly glad to note that our students have excelled in the fields of science and maths as well as in the languages. Because two or three things which I would like to highlight. I would not like to bore you with a very long speech, but two or three things which I would like to make as pertinent points with regard to the development of the educational system. One is that we all need to stress on the importance of good values in our students. Not that KV is not giving good values. The whole point is that today's world is expanding. Today's world is a technology filled world where parents itself are scared as to how do they give what is best for their students. So in a technologically rapidly changing world, we need to instill good values in our students. And also at the same time, we need to instill the value of scientific temper. A civic sense and a civic responsibility towards society is also important. At the same time, we need not always say that all students are getting the first rank, they should be the pioneers, etc. All students should be treated with equal respect. Everybody has some innate talent. That talent has to be developed in an institution like this. So we are not disregarding anybody's talent or ability. We need to take care of each student because each student is particularly talented in some field. We need to tap those talents and so that we can bring out budding youngsters who are role models for our nation. Second aspect is that all of you should concentrate on mathematical ability. Why I would stress that mathematical ability as an important ingredient for success in higher examinations, whether it be in the Indian Administrative Service or in passing an examination related to an entrance examination, mathematical ability is a crucial aspect of overall what you call to get into any stream of higher education. So that is a very important aspect which the school has to stress on, along with scientific temper. So these two, along with a good values laden education system, I think would go a long way in seeing that our students become responsible and people who are contributing to the nation. What I have just in my interaction with the principal over the couple of months which I have joined, I have seen and I have come to know is that the KV also should produce people, not that I am having a vested interest, but I think that the KV also should produce people who come into the civil services. And for that I am ready to come here at any point whenever you call me to give a guidance program or give a guidance class to all the students here. Because I think more people from KV Malappuram should be able to come into civil services, not only go and become an engineer or a doctor. If you take the case of me, I was by default an engineer. I became a mechanical engineer by default because my parents told me that you should become either a doctor or an engineer. Because all parents want their children to be doctors, engineers, but parents fail to recognize that children also have other interests. So what are the interests? We should be able to channelize it in the proper direction so that they become good artists, they become good scientists, or they become good civil servants. So after engineering, I happened to write the civil service examination. When I started writing the civil service examination and when I felt that this is the field in which I feel that I am not working at all, in the sense that when you get up in the morning, you should never feel that you are going to a job which you do not like. For example, teaching. People love teaching because they are more committed to that job. It is not merely a remuneration for which they are working. In the same way, all of you should choose a subject in which you like, whether it be sports, whether it be arts, or whether it be music or anything. We need to create and inculcate a spirit of excelling in their talents which they have. We cannot curb talents in this new and technologically developing era. So that is it's not an advice, it is a suggestion which I can give you, because I am not so old enough to advise very senior people like the principal and teachers here. I am extremely honored and privileged to take part in such to take part in the 28th annual day celebrations here, and I wish each one of you all the very best in life. And the teachers who are on superannuation today, Mrs. Chandrakumari madam, and I wish her the very best in her life and a successful musical career ahead of her. Also, I would like to thank all the parents and the teachers particularly who have created such a wonderful institution and who have brought many laurels to this great institution. And I particularly thank the principal for giving me an opportunity to be the chief guest for this 28th annual day celebrations. I once again thank you all and may God bless you. Jai Hind.
अब मैं हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथि श्रीमान रावण प्रभु कडलुंडी नगरम से निवेदन करता हूं कि वे हमसे कुछ शब्द बोलें.
May I now request our guest of honor, Mr. Ravana Prabhu Kadalundi Nagaram, to bless us with his words. Sir, please.
സദസ്സിന് നമസ്കാരം. വേദിയിലുള്ള നമ്മുടെ ബഹുമാന്യനായ ജില്ലാ കളക്ടർ അവർക്കും ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിലെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൾക്കും ഇവിടെയുള്ള എല്ലാ അധ്യാപകർമാർക്കും എൻ്റെ നമസ്കാരം. എന്നെ ഒന്ന് അല്പം പരിചയപ്പെടുത്താം. ഞാൻ കടലുണ്ടി നഗരം സ്വദേശിയാണ്. ഞാൻ അവിടെ ഒരു ഹാസ്യവേദിയുണ്ട്. ആ സംസ്ഥാന ഹാസ്യവേദിയുടെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ പ്രസിഡൻ്റാണ്. പിന്നെ എനിക്കുള്ള ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത, ഞാനൊരു സ്കൂൾ ഹെഡ്മാസ്റ്ററായിട്ട് തന്നെ 33 കൊല്ലവും പ്രവർത്തിച്ചു എന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരെയും ഇന്ന് കാണാനും ഒക്കെ സാധിച്ചത് ഭാഗ്യമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വരാനും ബഹുമാനായ പ്രിൻസിപ്പാൾ, ഇവിടെ ഈ യോഗ ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്ത നമ്മുടെ അഭിമന്യനായ കലക്ടർ അവർകളെയൊക്കെ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ സാധിച്ചു. നിങ്ങളെപ്പോലുള്ള ആൾക്കാരുടെ കൂടെ രണ്ടു വാക്ക് സംസാരിക്കാൻ സാധിച്ചതൊക്കെ ഈശ്വരൻ നൽകിയ ഒരു വരാണ്. അത് എന്നും നിലനിൽക്കട്ടെ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖവും ശാന്തിയും ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Parent Teacher Association President Shri V.K. Paulos for the felicitation speech.
अब मैं हमारे विद्यालय के अध्यापक अभिभावक समिति सचिव श्रीमान V.K. पौलोस को अभिनंदन भाषण के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूं.
സമാരാധ്യനായ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ ശ്രീ ജ്യോതിഷ് സാർ, എളിമത്വം തുളുമ്പുന്ന വ്യക്തിത്വം നിറഞ്ഞ വിനയത്വത്തോടെ മലപ്പുറം ജില്ലയുടെ മനസ്സറിഞ്ഞ ആദരണീയനായ വിശിഷ്ടാതിഥി ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മലപ്പുറം ജില്ലാ കളക്ടർ ശ്രീ കെ ബിജു IAS അവർകൾ ഈ സായം സന്ധ്യയിൽ തൻ്റെ സജീവ സാന്നിധ്യം കൊണ്ട് ധന്യമാക്കിയ ശ്രീ രാവണ പ്രഭു, സ്നേഹസമ്പന്നരായ അധ്യാപക അനധ്യാപകരെ, രക്ഷാകർത്താക്കളെ, പ്രിയമുള്ള വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനി സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, മലപ്പുറം കേന്ദ്രീയ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൻ്റെ ബാല്യ കൗമാരങ്ങളുടെ ഈ സർഗ സന്ധ്യ കാണുവാനായി എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏവർക്കും കേന്ദ്രീയ വിദ്യാലയ മലപ്പുറം PTA ഊഷ്മളമായ സ്വാഗതം നേരുന്നു. മനുഷ്യന് തിരിച്ചറിവുണ്ടാകണമെങ്കിൽ സർഗശേഷിയുള്ള ഹൃദയവും വിശാലമായ മസ്തിഷ്കവും ആവശ്യമാണ്. സർഗശേഷിയുള്ള ഹൃദയത്തിൻ്റെ ഉൽപാദനം എന്നുള്ളത് കവിതാ രചനയിലൂടെ, സാഹിത്യ സൃഷ്ടികളിലൂടെ, സാംസ്കാരിക മുന്നേറ്റങ്ങളിലൂടെയാണ് സാധിക്കുക. അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ശേഷികളെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുവാനുള്ള, മാനവികതയെ ഉയർത്താനുള്ള കരുണ, ദയ, അനുകമ്പ തുടങ്ങിയ മഹനീയ മൂല്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മളുടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളുടെ ഇളം മസ്തിഷ്കങ്ങളിലേക്ക് സംവേദനം ചെയ്യുവാനുള്ള വേദിയായ ഈ കലയരങ്ങിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേർന്ന നിങ്ങളെ ഏവരെയും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾക്ക് വിരാമമിടുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Now I call upon Mrs. Chandrakumari, TGT Maths, to deliver the word of thanks and to express our gratitude.
अब मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन के लिए हमारे विद्यालय के सबसे वरिष्ठ अध्यापिका श्रीमती चंद्रकुमारी जी को आमंत्रित करता हूं.
Esteemed dignitaries on the dais, VMC members, parents, dear colleagues and beloved students, I have been given the privilege of extending vote of thanks on behalf of the entire Vidyalaya community. Our young and dynamic district collector, Shri K. Biju IAS, has arrived over here and encouraged our students with his august presence and inspiring speech. All of us know that his speech was very inspiring. We will try our best, sir, to give motivation, to give more stress to mathematics, and of course we will inculcate good values in our students. Sir, it is our honor to thank you for your arrival in spite of a hectic schedule. Really, it is a thrilling experience for all of us. Thank you, sir. We are also thankful to Sri Ravana Prabhu Kadalundi Nagaram for accepting our invitation. He has blessed us in this evening with his eloquent words. Sir, your poem we will never forget, sir. That our students, we will guide our students to follow the path that shown by you. Sir, you motivated us very well. I take this opportunity to express the gratitude of the entire Vidyalaya family. It is to be noted that the Parent Teachers Association of KV Malappuram is very active and helpful for the improvement of the Vidyalaya under the leadership of Sri V.K. Paulos. Sir, we are thankful to you for gracing the occasion and for all the help that PTA has extended for making this evening a successful one. We would like to place on record our gratitude to the Vidyalaya Management Committee and Vidyalaya Executive Committee and all our respected parents for their collective support for the welfare of the Vidyalaya. We are extending our heartfelt thanks to the media, police personnel, Swapna Sounds, Better Pandal Works, cleaning staff and security personnel of the Vidyalaya. We are sure that this evening will be made memorable with the wonderful performance of the students. They have been working hard for so many days and our best wishes are with them always. The unstinting effort of the principal, Mr. K.P. Jyotish, and the staff members is behind the realization of this dream. I bestow my thanks to each one of you. Thank you all once more. Jai Hind.
Now, I request the honorable dignitaries to occupy the seats provided at the front of the dais.
अब मैं सभी विशिष्ट जनों से निवेदन करता हूं कि वे सभा में विराजमान हो जाएं और हमारे स्लाइड शो देखने की कृपा करें.
Kendriya Vidyalaya Malappuram have witnessed manifold incidents and achievements to cherish in the academic year 2013-2014. A kernel on all such events have been depicted through an impressive slideshow by the Computer Science Department. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for your kind patience. We know you all have been eagerly waiting for the program. So, here we are with the first event of the evening, Ranga Puja.
हम जानते हैं आप है बेकरार, पर सिर्फ कुछ पलों का है इंतजार और फिर शुरू होगा ये कार्यक्रम एकदम धमाकेदार और बिनताज. अब आइए हमारे सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों की ओर आपका सबका स्वागत है. हम शुरू करेंगे रंग पूजा के साथ.
Ranga Puja literally means offering of prayers to the stage. It's a part of Indian tradition to begin a program seeking the blessings of the God. Rangan is the other name of Lord Vishnu. Through Ranga Puja, we offer prayers to Lord Vinayaka, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Prayers to invoke the Almighty with their golden footsteps. Here comes a fusion of three classical dance forms, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Mohiniyattam. Enjoy the grand classical trinity.
किसी कार्यक्रम की शुभारंभ ईश्वर पूजा से होती है. ये हमारी भारत की परंपरा है जिससे हमें ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद मिले. तो सारे कार्य सुबीते से चले. सबसे पहले विघ्नेश, फिर विष्णु और अंत में महादेव की स्तुति करते हुए हम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करते हैं रंग पूजा.
गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। मृगतृष्णां भूतदयां विस्तारय तारय संसारसागरतः। दिव्यधुनीमकरन्दे परिमलपरिभोगसच्चिदानन्दे श्रीपतिपदारविन्दे भवभयखेदच्चिदे वन्दे।